Why get shop-bought pasta sauce when you can make your own healthier marinara sauce in minutes? Heat up some extra virgin olive oil in a saucepan. Mince 1 clove of garlic and chuck it into the oil. Add in 2 tins of good quality chopped tomatoes. Generously season with salt and pepper and give that a stir. I'm going to add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard to make it lip smacking. Splash in some maple syrup or honey or sugar to enhance the sweetness of the tomatoes. Finally, sprinkle with some dried basil, rosemary and oregano. Now leave that on a low heat for 30 minutes to reduce and thicken. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Bangin recipes. My marinara sauce has been on simmer for a while and now it's beautifully thick. Now you can use this sauce for any of your pasta dishes, bolognese, lasagna and even pizza. If stored correctly, this will keep in the fridge for 5 days.